Hello everyone, welcome back to Ubalde Official. Today I'm going to show you how to uninstall Malwarebytes. Yes, antivirus code Malwarebytes from your computer, because in your Windows 11, Windows 10 you have Windows Defender file and the firewall. So antivirus can make a conflict. So I'm going to show you step by step. First, you open control panel, you click on uninstall program. After you search Malwarebytes, and right click, uninstall or change, and then wait. You see this pop-up, repair or Malwarebytes. You choose remove Malwarebytes, and then click on uninstall, click on uninstall malware anyway. Yes, click on uninstall malware anyway. Then after clicking it, you see the survey. You skip this, it's not necessary, and then wait until it's installed. You click OK and install. Wait until click on 1000. Now we are removing anything for weighted Malwarebytes. Yes, Malwarebytes. Then you click on done. Yes, click on done. After clicking on done, now Malwarebytes and installed malware. No Malwarebytes in our computer. Yes. So if this video is helpful, please subscribe on my YouTube channel called Ubalde Official. Share, like and comment on my video. Bye bye. God bless you.
Ubalde Official, source of technology and education. Subscribe and stay connected.